Welcome to Funny Reverse, the only channel where even science experiments defy time. Today, we're diving into one of the most explosive viral experiments ever, Devil's Toothpaste Squirtgun, created by the legendary At the Backyard Scientist. But here's the twist, we're playing it in reverse. Watch closely as massive foam clouds collapse back into the squirt gun. Instead of launching outward like a volcano, the explosive toothpaste mix calmly sucks back into its container. It's like watching a toothpaste genie go back into the bottle. Science fiction meets comedy. In the original, the chemical reaction between hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, and yeast causes rapid decomposition and insane foaming. But in reverse, it looks like the foam knew it wasn't supposed to be there, and returned itself. Face with tears of joy. Notice how the squirts fly backward into the gun, drops float back up, and the foam volcano rewinds into silence. What makes this even more mesmerizing is the detail. The foam doesn't just disappear, it crawls back into formation like it's alive. Little by little, color fades in reverse, and the chaos transforms into calm. From a scientific angle, it's like watching entropy work in reverse, going from messy randomness to perfect order. Even the explosive pressure wave looks like it's being vacuumed in by invisible forces. As the squirt gun regains all the liquid, you can't help but laugh at how ridiculous and satisfying this process is. You don't need a PhD to enjoy this one. All you need is an appreciation for science, chaos, and, well, reverse explosions. If you're a fan of DIY science, chemical chaos, or just oddly satisfying reverse moments, make sure you subscribe to Funny Reverse. We take the internet's wildest clips and flip them, literally, to reveal a new perspective. Would real life be better in reverse? Probably not. But science in reverse? That's just good content. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more experiments, trailers, and epic clips, all in reverse.